1 days, we have to keep carry on, right?
Okay.
As an expert team, we will not suggest you, and this business is not for 1 days. Our relationship is not for 1 days. We want
Mm-hmm.
to help you to grow your business so that
Mm-hmm.
at least you can make money. And
Mm-hmm.
when you can make money, obviously, yeah, we will go on forward, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I have a own designer for website SEO.
Okay.
I want to show you some website example. Uh,
Okay.
realfba.com. So this is my own business. I do Amazon FBA. So you can see the website how the function, like all are crystal
Yeah.
clear, clean, everything. Okay. I
Okay.
have another like header, footer, everything mobile friendly, all. And if I
Okay.
go my another client from USA getting real with Hillary. So this is another website I have recently made, and this one, uh, you can see the color combination, design, shape, everything. Okay.
Okay.
So far, I know it's very hard to like invest a lot of money in the beginning time, but
Mm-hmm.
you make the business for a long time. When customer
Mm-hmm.
come, then see your website is not decorated, navigation is not perfect, and not
Mm-hmm.
mobile friendly, because 70-80% customers are like they are using phone, right?
Yes.
Not brings the laptop or computers with personal belongs. So we need a like a mobile friendly website.
Okay.
So if we start Facebook ad, then obviously today or tomorrow they will kick out, because
Mm-hmm.
injectable and medical things they are not allowed. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to do the content marketing. So as you told, like some of your like familiar person working for you, celebrity, or sometimes you can make a video through your mobile. So there are
Mm-hmm.
two, three way to make the video. One is customer review, like you are providing service, right? So
Mm-hmm.
like suppose in a month you have 10 client right now. So when they are coming after finishing the getting the service, so you can tell, hey, could you give me a video review, 1 minute, how was the service, how you get
Okay.
benefited, how was your before leap, after leap. So you give us the video, we'll do edit the video. Okay. And
Okay.
we'll upload our social media. So social
Okay.
media, we will create Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Okay. As a
Okay.
manager, we will like upload everywhere, because once our
Okay.
content ready, we can upload everywhere. It's like normal things for us, because I have
Okay.
seen your Facebook pages. It's not good, quite not good at all. Okay.
Okay.
So we, we have to focus the content marketing. So like
Okay.
in a week you give us one two video, sometimes good like deep editing, sometimes normal editing, we'll do edit, then we'll do
Okay.
upload. We will take
Okay.
the access of the social media link, then we'll do
Mm-hmm.
upload after when you send, then after finishing the edit we'll do upload. So this is one thing we can brings the customers attraction.
Okay.
So it could be weekly, 1 days, 2 days, or whatever. If you free, like, hey, make the video, how you help people, how they are getting benefited, right? So
Okay.
this
Yeah.
is called content marketing. Second thing,
Okay.
so first website design need to design. We'll do design. Second, we'll have to make the content and upload it. Third is website SEO. So website
Mm-hmm.
SEO is means like when people search from our neighbor location, they can find us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So at least three to four
Okay.
month need, at least 4 month need to rank our website on Google top page, because
Okay.
when we start, that your website have no traffic, nothing. So we need to set up a content blog section, and everything will upload our website. Then
Okay.
it would grow gradually, gradually, gradually. Okay.
Okay.
So in generally, like in the beginning time, website design, we need 700 to $800 for perfect function website. So it would be mobile friendly, tab, computer everywhere. After
Okay.
finishing that, we will do start SEO work. But before doing that, we can start our content marketing. We have existing website, no problem. We will start the content marketing and upload our social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and other places. So at least we can start some
Hmm.
followers, and people will follow us through the social media. Like that way we can work. So once we have done our website, new website, then we'll replace the domain. This domain we'll replace, and after that, we will start working the website SEO. Our content
Okay.
promoting would be continuous process. After website design, we will start SEO, so we can work together. Then we can grow our audience gradually, and we'll get customers. In the beginning time, it would be hard because we don't no one know our places, no one know us, right? Because
Yeah.
yeah, I know that some of your familiar person goes to your salon. This is your personal credit, like your face marketing. It's
Hmm.
working. So once this working, then day by day, our business work, and we will get some good review on our Google pages, Google My Pages. So let me show you
Okay.
one brand I have been going established. So I wanted to show you my own brand. Mm, So this is my own brand. Is Katie's BD. So it's my website. I'm selling also the USA imported product. I purchase product from USA. This product, Katie's BD.
Okay.
It's
Hmm.
a black shop. She is my client. I manage them. So I'm going to build my own brand here. So
Hmm.
this product, I made the website. You can see all are decorated. Okay. So
Okay.
all are decorated like that way. We will decorate your websites.
Okay.
And uh, uh, if I go here on my Google page, Google My Business. So Google My Business means this is my Google My Business account. So once we do setup complete, then you can see here we have 6 reviews so far. We will
Hmm.
Our customers comes and we will request them to give sometimes video review, sometimes send them the link here from here, and give them the link for give the review. Okay.
Okay.
And also social media, you can see here will run like follower, when you promote something, then they're not allowed, but when you promote your pages, like grow your
Hmm.
followers, okay, so
Uh-huh.
time Facebook allowed. So we will promote our pages, and we will post our content, and then we will grow our like daily, like $2 $3 $5, suppose. So daily
Okay.
$5 is not a big amount for business. So we
Okay.
grow our followers. So you can see here, I post my content gradually. Let me go from my other pages. So this is my pages.
Create the website. We do all of that. The traffic, like you said, it's not going to start picking up till about 3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
So, go ahead.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'll conclude that. No problem.
So with that, do y'all do like leads? Do y'all do that type of stuff where y'all have like a robot or something where they make the calls for me, instead of me having to make those calls?
Okay. So for message replay, we'll do replay your message, pages replay or whatever. Okay. But when
Okay.
people call directly, then it goes to your phone, because you know that customers wanted to talk in details about the service, right? So
Okay.
if
Yes.
they call me or they call my team, then we cannot replay properly. We can replay
Okay.
their
Okay.
texts. Hey, they are asking where is the location, so we can deliver the, hey, this is the location, you can call us this time to this time, right? So this
Okay.
handy like a task we can manage. But when people asking the service things, so we'll directly switch to your phone number.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Yeah, because I'm just needing to get, like you said, I'm doing it through family. And then of course I'm in the actual entertainment world. So I have a lot of people in Texas, which are Tejanos involved with my business. So yeah, I won't be able to pay that till the beginning of the month though. That's the only thing. Because right now we're almost going into the middle, and I don't have the funds for that. But in the beginning of the month, I can do that.
Okay, so we can start the social media content, and the
Okay.
beginning of the March we can start our like website design and restaurant thing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we can keep we can like we have got the idea. So we'll start from the beginning of the month in March. But right now, as
Okay.
we can start some good post, and you can send us the like your Facebook, your Instagram access, so we
Okay.
can start
Okay.
post some posting. We can see some competitors what they post, or if you have the some pictures, so you share with us, then we can make some content, everything.
Okay. Okay. Yes, for sure. I think you. I'm so excited. Hopefully, we get
Obviously.
to get this on the go, and I'm hopefully by next year we have traffic coming in, and
Obviously,
we're
no.
happy, and we're
From
both
second month, we will generate traffic, because first month
okay.
with the new website, we have to find the keywords, which keyword are need to push on the website backend. Because first time we need to
Okay.
decorate our website, right? Then
Okay.
once our one page is called one page SEO. So after finalize
Okay.
the one page SEO, we will go the up page SEO and backlink and local SEO. So from when we
Okay.
start second month, then at least few traffic comes start coming on our website.
Okay.
Hmm.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, I got to go, and it was very nice to speak to you. And we'll keep in touch through our WhatsApp.
Yeah, and I have a request to you. Like
Okay.
you have a lot of friends, family, and community people. So if you share
Mhm.
our service when you feel like, no need to right now, after 1 month, 2 months
Okay.
later, when you feel happy, okay, Johnny doing good or team good. So please, you can share our information to your friends, those that need our service. So it increase our client base. Also will give you 10 to 15% every month discount on the basis of the client base growing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Of course. I'm one of those. I like to talk. So you got me.
Yeah, suppose
All
one
right.
client comes and they join us with $500, so we'll give you like a 10% commission of your service fee every month, like $50
Oh.
discount.
Oh. Okay. Heck yeah. Money's money.
Yeah, yeah, obviously when you help us, we'll help you.
Of course. You scratch my back. I scratch your back.
Yeah. So
Alrighty. Well, it was nice speaking to you.
you share your Facebook and IG in details, everything with on WhatsApp. So we'll do login, and then we'll start
Okay.
our work. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll go ahead and send you all of that here right now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
No one. Do you
Talk.
have any question?
No, not at the moment.
Okay.
Um, I do have a Botox party I have to get to, so yeah,
Yeah, okay.
I
One
gotta get
thing I
there,
want to
and
share, so you can
I
you one thing I want to share, so you could be very happy. I have a lot of women client from USA. Okay, so currently I have
ah
more than like 10 clients running from USA, and all are women. So this is my agency website,
uh-huh.
Trust Dev Agency. Okay, so if you see
Mm-hmm.
one videos, this is my client Katie. So Katie had some like your like same types of product. She wanted to sell the some supplement, and then I helped the beginning time. Then
Okay,
she also kick out from the Instagram and Facebook, so for the page promotion purpose. So I told her, hey, you couldn't do this, but she said, hey Johnny, my husband already built the business, that's why I'm in here. So I helped her for okay, I'm going to my this is my client all from USA. So if I click here Katie's videos, so you can,
okay,
okay, where is the sound?
Excellent job.